Navigating high-stakes litigation. The essential role of a top-tier commercial truck accident lawyer in the USA. In the vast and interconnected economy of the United States, commercial trucking serves as the lifeblood of commerce, yet the presence of massive semi-trucks and 18-wheelers on public highways creates a constant risk of catastrophic injury. When a passenger vehicle collides with a fully loaded commercial truck, which can weigh up to 80,000 pounds, the results are almost always devastating. Navigating the legal aftermath of such an event is a task of immense complexity, far exceeding the scope of a standard car accident claim. For victims in 2026, securing the services of a top-tier commercial truck accident lawyer is not just a matter of legal representation, it is a strategic necessity to combat the aggressive defense tactics of multi-billion-dollar trucking conglomerates and their specialized insurance carriers. The primary factor that sets commercial truck accidents apart from other personal injury cases is the stringent web of federal and state regulations that govern the industry. The Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, FMCSA, mandates strict guidelines regarding hours of service, HOS, weight limits, and regular vehicle maintenance. A premium truck accident attorney meticulously audits these records to identify violations that may have contributed to the crash. In modern litigation, this includes the forensic analysis of the truck's electronic logging device, ELD, and the black box, or event data recorder, EDR, which captures critical telemetry such as speed, braking patterns, and engine performance in the seconds leading up to impact. Without an attorney who possesses the technical expertise to preserve and interpret this digital evidence, crucial proof of negligence could be overridden or destroyed by the trucking firm. Liability in a commercial truck accident is rarely limited to the driver alone. It often extends to the trucking company under the legal doctrine of respondent superior or vicarious liability. This allows victims to hold the employer accountable for the driver's actions if they occurred within the scope of employment. Furthermore, a deep dive investigation may reveal negligent hiring practices, where a company failed to properly vet a driver with a history of safety violations, or negligent maintenance, if a mechanical failure like brake fade or a tire blowout was preventable. By identifying multiple liable parties, including cargo loaders who may have improperly balanced a trailer or third-party maintenance contractors, a specialized lawyer can tap into multiple insurance policies, significantly increasing the potential for a multi-million-dollar settlement. The financial stakes in these cases are exceptionally high because of the long-term, life-altering nature of the injuries involved. Victims often suffer from traumatic brain injuries, TBI, spinal cord damage, or complex orthopedic fractures that require years of rehabilitation and specialized medical equipment. A top-rated attorney works alongside forensic economists and life care planners to calculate the true cost of these damages over a lifetime, accounting for inflation and the loss of future earning capacity. In the 2026 legal market, jury awards for catastrophic truck accidents frequently reach 8 figures, particularly when a lawyer can prove that the trucking company prioritized profits over safety by forcing drivers to exceed legal driving hours or bypass safety checks. Ultimately, choosing the best commercial truck accident lawyer means selecting a firm with a proven track record of going to trial. Insurance companies are well aware of which firms have the resources to litigate a case to its conclusion and which are looking for a quick, low-ball settlement. A premium attorney provides the muscle needed to negotiate from a position of strength, ensuring that the victim's family is not intimidated by corporate defense teams. Most elite firms operate on a contingency fee basis, meaning they advance all costs of the investigation and litigation, only collecting a fee if they successfully recover compensation for their client. This ensures that the most sophisticated legal advocacy in the USA is accessible to those who need it most, regardless of their current financial circumstances.